Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. And in today's video, we're deep cleaning the Brabus. As you can tell, the Brabus is pretty darn dirty. Most of the time I use the Jimny as a daily driver, but for long distances and on the highway, I'm always using the Brabus. Or as you guys know, a Mercedes E63s. 700 horsepower and 1000 Newton meters of torque, 0 to 100 in only 3 seconds flat, sometimes even 2.9. In today's video we're going to satisfyingly foam it up with the pink Autobrite foam and also using some detail brushes to get all the dirt out and make it shiny like a baby's behind. Enjoy! Now, I really hope you guys got satisfied by looking at this video. Please consider subscribing, liking this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, drive safe.